to do a little POV because a lot of people seem to like that stuff. So I was like, you know, why not try it? Where's this Camaro? I look so weird with this on though. It's a fucking thing. People are like, what the is he wearing on his head? But today we're gonna be maybe driving a Shelby GT500. It's my buddy's car. He drove my car, and I drove his car once when it was stock, but I have not driven it since the mods he has done to it. So we'll see how that goes. And last time his car was completely stock exhaust, stock everything. But now he has basically the same mods as me. People do that, alright. At first I was like, why the fuck do people shift from third to fourth like that? But it's actually kind of good because it makes sure that you shift away from your body instead of going like maybe back to second. So that's why a lot of people do that. I've done it before, but even though that's more comfortable, this thing does not hook with these tires. I need to get a set of, I mean, I could get some nice tires, but I'd rather just have a street set and a race set. So I'll just keep these tires on. And especially because it's cold, you know, you don't really hook at all. It just pops like crazy. Watch, we're not gonna get this lit. First. Alright guys, we got Joel 5.0 in my passenger seat. We just finished up the day. I didn't drive the GT500, so that'll be safe for another day. And I just filled up and I drove 42 miles and my gas gauge is already low. Dude, I'm getting my wisdom teeth out like over break.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Swear. I'm gonna go with you and take the GoPro and record you.
You want? It's just like, it sounds like it's about to die.
Yeah.
Hi.
Because I hopped just from the Shelby to now, but it feels, I like this interior, like,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just small, it's a small, like,
car.
you're good at this one.
I'm not trying to get pulled over. This is where I'm on.
Name on or what's the name?
359, that's the cheapest.
Where? Oh, at least 359.
Oh.
He was looking.
I was like,
Oh shit! I will pause right before the call.
I know. Alright, you know what? Driver mod's gonna kick in tonight, boys.
No, it's not.
You ain't ready?
No driver mod. Okay.
Find me.
Easy on your ass? Yeah, it's gonna say you're a boy.
Oh.
You don't want it.
Nah, he don't want it.
Nah, you don't want it. Is he going or not? Spin City?
It's gonna pop hella, watch.
Hey, whenever it was behind us, I could say bye-bye.
Yeah, that was a good rub match.
I just pulled up on your edge.